Welcome. The next topic that I'd like to get into is to show you how to draw a table. Now this is not a new feature, but it's a fantastic feature that a lot of people overlook. So I just thought I'd share this one with you. So again, if you want to throw a table in, but you don't want your standard, 3x3 columns and rows, you'd rather have, a big row over here, a little column over here. It's always sort of kind of a pain to go through and actually resize your columns and rows. But when you draw your table, you can set it up exactly how you want. And I'll show you how to do it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is put your cursor where you want your table to appear. Then you go to the Insert tab, you go to Table on the left-hand side, and then you'll notice that there's a Draw Table option down here. So I'm going to click on Draw Table, and then as I hover over the document portion of it, I have a little pencil. If I click and drag, what I'm doing right now is I'm determining how big I want my table to be. So I'm going to click and drag, I'm going to let go. And now, essentially, I have a one cell table. And if I'm like, well, you know what, I really want to have a column over here on the left-hand side and then maybe three rows on the right. Let's say that's going to be our goal. So what I can do is I just simply draw the lines exactly where I want this to appear. And what's really nice about this, I don't have to make sure I'm directly on the border. I can actually start right about here somewhere. And if I just drag down, it's going to know what I want to do. So I let go. Now I have two cells. Now I want to throw in a couple horizontal lines. So I'm going to come over here. Again, same concept. It's going to automatically recognize where I am and how I'm putting it in. Now you'll notice at this point that your mouse pointer is still a pencil. So you can continue to add. So if I want to split this, I can come up here and I can split this window here. So I just split the cells. Now a lot of people will do this accidentally. So they'll come over here and they'll draw and they don't connect. You end up putting a table within a table, which is fine if you want it. In my case, I'm just going to undo Control-Z on the keyboard shortcut to bring it back the way it was. Now, if I'm done drawing, I can actually hit Escape on my keyboard, and then I'm back to normal mode, and I can type in whatever I want. Thank you.